This trail looks like any nature trail. Got nature all around, got rocks, you got leaves on the ground. Yet, this particular trail has a story. This particular trail, a railroad used to go through here. Eventually, like many railroads, this particular railroad went into disuse. After this particular railroad went into redundance, the rails were taken out, and this is what replaced it. This trail is actually an example of rails to trails. Hence why this particular trail is called Old Railroad Bed Trail. This used to be a railroad. It was repurposed into a nature trail. Whereas before, trains used to come up here. Now, hikers come up here. People will mountain bike up here. This is just one of the many examples of conservation, of man taking disused spaces and recycling the land, turning it into something like a nature trail. The theme to look for here is human-environmental interaction.